Okay, thank you.
Okay, now some companies, they want to look big, right? Although they have only one person working. Okay, so or for the case of a school, they need to create multiple voicemail boxes for different teachers, so that way the teacher will get the voicemail, and then after the class they will listen to the voicemail and they will call back and then they will follow up with the parents. Okay, here you can create multiple mailboxes for multiple users here. Okay, so now main numbers. Now I'll show you main numbers. जैसा कि मैं आपको बताया 416111111 is a main number. You can add any number of numbers you have for the main company. You can add all the numbers here. If that call comes in, they will follow the company call flow, what is defined in here. Now, office hour strategy. We have the business hours. Are you open for 24 hours or are you open for customer office hours? 9 to 5 customer are you, and then you can say closed. Okay, if you are open closed, if you are closed for lunch hour also, you can enable that one and then you can put the time in here. Okay, so now this is the business hour logic. So as per the business hour logic, and then if you have the office holidays, you can define here Christmas, New Year, Canada Day. It's consistent. Okay, and then now how you want to handle or manage your incoming calls. Okay, if the call comes in on your main number, how the call will flow: incoming call goes to a virtual reception, press 1 sales queue, press 2 sales, whatever. I'm just demo के लिए है. Press 4 sales queue, press 9 smart PBX directory, like they can dial in with the last name and then it will pick the extension and then the number will be dialed. Okay, and then you can have the default action. If the user doesn't press any of these actions, it will go to the reception, whatever. Okay, now greetings, you can have the text to speech, but this is not very good because this is the computer audio. वो break मजा नहीं आएगा वो, right? You can upload your own file. Okay, if you have your own customer professional greetings, you can have your own file, or choose from an existing recording. You can if you have uploaded the previous recording, you can upload from different recordings what you have uploaded, or record over the phone. Okay, so the
MP3 में चाहिए सब कुछ.
इसमें जो है ना MP3 में चाहिए. I have seen yes MP3 MP4 दोनों भी चलेगा. Okay, yeah, and then you have, and then the most of the stuff I have seen here, the people like here, especially in North America, the people, the receptionist wants to record every day with different messages, whatever, depending on the business how they run, right? Especially for the doctor's office during the COVID time, the reception, they will record their own audio. So they will record their own audio using the phone. Just pick the phone, dial their main company number, and then once they enter the company number, your audio auto attendant start, the IVR will start playing. So just press this number because you only know the password. When you press this pin, it will prompt you, now change your greeting. You will get all those menus to change your greetings over there. Understood?
Okay.
Okay, now you have your, now if you don't want to, just like in my case, I have configured directly to go to my incoming call, go to my hamare extension which is sitting here, and go to my voicemail if I'm not available. Okay, my main number 613-707-6286 will dial my desk phone at my desk or my mobile app on my app, because I have my user, it's going to the user. In my user, I have 3 devices. I have my mobile app, I have my desk phone app, I have my Polycom phone sitting at my desk here. So all the 3 rings, all the 3 phones will ring simultaneously. Because if you have seen this one here in the Find Me, Follow Me, I have put my configuration to ring all the devices at the same time.
Okay.
Okay. Now, अब आपका मेन नंबर हो गया है, बिजनेस आवर लॉजिक हो गया, इनकमिंग कॉल हैंडलिंग, मेन कॉन्फ्रेंस नंबर, यू कैन हैव योर मेन कॉन्फ्रेंस नंबर, द पीपल डायलिंग द कॉन्फ्रेंस नंबर, and then all the participants will join the conference. Okay, this is all मैं आपको बता रहा हूं from the user perspective, from a company perspective, how the admin of the office or the reception, or how the doctor's office or the lawyer's office, they can handle their own call flows on a daily basis. Okay, now then the admin work here is, okay, for the enhanced user, I will show you here numbers here. Okay, see one more thing here. I have my company number here, right? अभी मेरे पास some customers ऐसे हैं जो है they have only one account. Okay, they only have one account. अभी जो है ना आपके पास आपका PBX, you have my PBX, you are my customer and you have my customer. Now आपका Cube आप जो है ना मेरा client है, but you also have a company called Xbox for us. Okay, you have two companies, and then you are also having your other trading company. Okay, but if the customer calls in, you are the only person answering the phone. Okay, so now, but 416-1111, 647-1112, 829-1113. Okay, I have these three numbers. When the call comes in, आपको मालूम होना चाहिए, I am dialing from outside. Okay, from the PSTN I'm dialing in. When the call comes in, when you see the ringing here, you see my number 613-793-0529. You see my number who is calling you. They don't see for which company the call came in. समझे आप?
जी.
Okay, this is the norm. If you have only one PBX, if somebody call you from an external from outside, then you will see who is calling, and then you will pick the call, but you don't know what number they dial. Understood?
जी.
Okay, now the customer, if you are operating these three companies, then how do you know that this company has called for Cube, this user has called for Cube, or this user has called for Xbox, or this user has called for trading? You don't know. So it's tough for you to basically answer respond back to the client. You think that, oh, I don't know which customer. Okay, welcome to Cube bole to phir then he know, oh, I sorry, I dialed the wrong number, and he hangs up. Okay, so now what we have here is we have a very good feature. This is my main number. Okay, now prepend. So what I will do for this DID, before I send the call to the extension, I will prepend the number here, or I will prepend the number with the company name. So that way on the app or on the phone, I will see that this guy is trying to reach Cube or Xbox or trading.
Okay.
Got it?
जी.
हाँ, तो ये DID के तो प्रीपेड है E91 पे, then carrier mode. Okay, the caller ID. So when you are sending the caller ID, inbound caller ID name, outbound caller ID name, right? So you can have your custom caller ID also with the DID, right? So because I have my own DID, I'm not using the company DID. When I send when they send the call outside with my own DID, I want to keep my own name. Okay, तो ये आपका मेन फीचर्स है. इसमें और एक बेहतरीन फीचर क्या है हमारे अमर भाई, दिस इज फॉर द एडवांस यूजर्स. कॉल फ्लोज है इसके अंदर, राइट? कॉल फ्लोज का कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि you can, if you need to be an expert here. I can create the आप जो भी करते हैं इसको, either I don't know what language you call the call treatment, when the incoming call comes into the system, how you want to treat the call. Okay, so now call flow मैं दे दिया, मैं call flow name दे दिया, मैं cube incoming दिया मैं यहाँ पर. फर्ज करो आपको, I can list, this is the custom call flows है ये आपके. It's not for the only advanced user. If you want to list this call flow in your smart PBX UI, you can do this from here in the main company number. Okay, now save किया मैं. Now click to add a number. I add a number. Now any incoming call comes in, what I want to do, I want to play the media. If I want to play the media, add the media here. Okay, or I don't want to play the media here. I want to send it to the ring group. Okay, what are the ring groups में कौन से users है आपके? User 1, user 2, user 3, user 4. Ring group name जो है ना sales team हो गया आपकी है. String strategy, how do you want to ring the phones at the same time, in order or random? Okay, now ring back. Ring back यहाँ पर जो है ना, when the call rings to the group, what is the ring back? आप जो है ना, you can have your own custom recording. Please wait. Okay, we are connecting your call. Okay, or all the agents are busy, please hold on. All those things you can put in here.
Ring group में.
Yes, ring group के अंदर custom ring back. You know what is a ring back, right? When I call you,
I get a ring back here.
I get a ring back. Train. That is generated by the system. But here you can have your custom ring back. Okay, if you are sending the call to a ring group. ये सारी चीजें जो है ना, this will fetch the money. You want a custom ring back? Okay, add $2, $5. If you want to have, if you have one, just if you are taking one account, but if you are handling multiple businesses, we'll give you a service, and you know that which user has called for what extension. We will give you all those things. So these are all money making जो है ना, small tips and tricks है यहाँ पर ये. ओके, तो ये जो है ना आपके कॉल फ्लोस के थ्रू डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद यहाँ पर या नहीं तो फिर इफ द कॉल कम्स इनटू दिस नंबर, यू कैन हैव अ मेन्यू. व्हाट इज द मेन्यू? व्हिच मेन्यू? Okay, now this is, I have this one, greetings. I read the menu options. Okay, these are all my मतलब prompts जो होते हैं ना, वो prompt है ये. So this is all the drag and drop. I will show you later on what we can do. Page group बना सकते हैं आप, और if the call comes in, directly ring the device. Which device you want to ring? Okay, these are all drag and drop है आपके पास. Okay, so this one I will show you in my next इंशाल्लाह. उसके बाद फिर अब account settings पे जाते हैं आप. तो account settings पे जाते हैं आपको, तो then what you will see that caller ID should be text marks. This is the default caller ID. Accounts oddbound caller ID, this one. Account emergency caller ID है ना. emergency caller ID में ये चीजें होते हैं. यहाँ पर आपको बताता हूँ मैं. ये आपका PBX है. If this guy dials 911, okay, this guy, okay, आपकी कंपनी है. Okay, you have 10,416,111,111 है. You have 15 DIDs. Okay, E911 will cost us 99 cents per month. We have to pay. Okay, and I usually charge 199. And initial setup fee is 299 अपना cost है ये, and I charge 599. Okay, so now if you have 15 DIDs and all the extensions are here at this at one location, okay, I am not getting the DIDs for getting the E91 service for all the 15 DIDs. I only get for one DID. Okay, so that's the reason why if all the 15 devices from that location dial 911, that number, the number that goes out as when they dial the emergency number will be only one number. although they have incoming call on a different number, but from that location, if they call 911, that will be gone as only 1111.
सही है.
Okay. फिर blacklist, you can blacklist. Suppose sometimes the people call in, okay, then you can blacklist this आपकी customer, you can blacklist numbers, sometimes spammers वगैरह, you can blacklist that one. Now you can have your accounts music on hold, and select the flow, okay, select the call flow. And we will talk on this, all these other advanced features.
या ओके, चलिए ये तो मैं और बाद में डिटेल करेंगे, लेकिन अभी इस वक्त जो है मैंने अपने पार्टनर से बात की तो वो कह रहा है कि हमको प्ले करने के लिए, टेस्ट करने के लिए चाहिए. तो मैं चाह रहा था कि वो, मैं और मोइज, हम तीनों एक एक एक्सटेंशन ले लेते हैं.
ठीक है.
और बिसाइड दैट आप कोई एक नंबर अगर आपकी लाइन का है तो वो दे दो, उसके ऊपर हम ट्राई करते हैं.
ठीक है.
और एक बार ये हम एज अ यूजर सबसे पहले हमको समझना है. एक बार यूजर फीचर्स समझ में आते हैं तो उसके बाद में फिर ये जो आप कर रहे हैं कि चलो कॉन्फ़िग कर लिया जाए क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, तो बैठकर तो ऑलरेडी ये तो यूजर फ्रेंडली है.
और लुक एट दिस वन. अभी जैसा कि मैं बताता हूँ आपको, जस्ट लुक एट दिस वन. ये दिस इज द पोर्टल, द बैकएंड जो आपका जो है ना, ओके, ये बिग अकाउंट है मेरा, जिसके पास जो है मेरे पास 75 यूजर्स है, इसमें 76 यूजर्स है यहाँ पर, राइट. ये कॉलेज है आपका टोरंटो में. रिपोर्ट्स देखिए आप, इनबाउंड कॉल्स, ये ओनली आज का स्टाटस है ये, 30th to 31. ओके, व्यू समरी, टोटल 500 कॉल्स आए, टोटल ड्यूरेशन 66,248 सेकेंड्स जो है ना हैज बीन यूज हुआ है. No answers, 203 answer, 264 calls were answered, call rejected 213 failure. मतलब not no answer means it went to the voicemail. Okay, usage charges है, user charges है, total account charges per account, call recording है आपके पास, you can this user doesn't have a call recording. Outbound calls कितने हुए? Okay, now उसके बाद देखिए आप, अच्छा उसके बाद प्रोविजन देखिए, फोन्स देखिए आप. What the heck is this? एक मिनट, इंटरनेट मेरा जो है ना, ओके, ये उनके पास देखिए DIDs है, टोटल इतने DIDs है उनके पास, ये कस्टमर के पास. They have on this DID they have 109 calls coming in. On this DID they have 168 calls coming in. You can have all the statistics, how many outbound calls, how many answer, everything is detailed. What is the average talk time? All those details are here. Configuration है, status है, registrations है आपका, how many phones are registered, from what location they have registered. Now this number of people are using the mobile app. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 people are using the mobile app. Mobile app कौन सा extension पे use हो रहा है, which version of the iOS they are using, platform version, device कौन सा iPhone है आपके, different devices they are using, and last provision. All those things are here. फिर provision में आते हैं आप, profiles, all the phones they have Cisco phones, they have Polycom phones, they have all E-Link phones, multiple phones are there. ओके, तो फिर इंशाल्लाह. अच्छा, और एक खूब चीज बताता हूँ मैं आपको. लेट मी जस्ट एक बिफोर आई हैंग अप द RST. ओके, आ गए आप यहाँ पर. अभी आप ये देखिए, आप यू कैन सेंड द ऑनबोर्ड लिंक टू ए कस्टमर ऑन द फ्लाई. यहाँ से आप चेक कीजिए, send onboard email, the user will get an email. When he open the email, he will see, hey, wait, welcome to TextMarks, get started. If you open this one, you can download the desktop app and you can log in. If you open this login, then you don't have, it will be passwordless login. This is my desktop app. From anywhere in the world using the Chrome, you can make the call. Okay, आपका नंबर बोलिए.
613-315-1413.
Okay. अब देखिए जैसा ये कॉल लग गया, this goes as red, busy, and then this is my desktop app, and I can see that I have dialed this number, and I cancel the call.
जी.
Right? This is my desktop app. This is nothing. This is just using a Chrome browser. So seamless. My right away आपके सामने link खोला मैं. I basically logged in using a magic the magic link, and then I am into my client. And then here you can दिख रहा है यहाँ पर assign caller ID. You can change the caller ID, because since I have 3 phone numbers, if I want to make a call from my desktop app, I can change my caller ID from here. Use this caller ID and make a call. Okay, so how did you find the system until now?
नहीं, सिस्टम तो बहुत अच्छा है. It has got a lot of things.
Right? तो मैं आपको एक काम करता हूँ. You have to tell me, मैं हमारे मोइज भाई के लिए और आपके लिए जो है ना, I will create an account for you, and then I will dedicate one number. Do you have any specific IVR? How you want to provision the system?
एक टेस्ट नंबर के ऊपर, thank you for calling Cube, your own brand. Please dial the number if you know, or 0. और 0 के ऊपर मेरा ही अपना नंबर डाल दूंगा, ताकि 0 प्रेस किया तो मेरे ही पास आएगा, और बाकी के वो एक नंबर मैं
ठीक है,
मिडल ईस्ट में देता हूँ.
ठीक है, बिल्कुल कोई मसला नहीं, इंशाल्लाह. ठीक है, तो I will do that one today इंशाल्लाह. आज कर जो है ना, I will keep you posted इंशाल्लाह, and then I will send you the link that you can log in. I will an email. You should receive an email with the username and the password, and you can log in and you can basically look in what's happening, how the things are configured also.
Inshallah.
You have to send me the email address. आपका email address maybe I should have that one, but send me that one also.
Okay.
Okay, and then I have as I told you that I have added the mobile हमारे SMSP app के अंदर है, that I need to include that one, the feature. SMS is now into the app, and then alhamdulillah last week I activated 3 accounts on the SMS. The SMS में ये है कि I'm selling it. First time activation is I think $7.99 कर रहा हूँ मैं, and then per outbound SMS is 5 cents. Inbound is free, unlimited. Inbound, outbound is 5 cents per SMS for the business lines. So with the SMS, you can have your क्या बोलते WhatsApp also will work for the business number too.
चलिए.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Inshallah. चले सही इंशाल्लाह. Okay. All right. I will do that.